gonna ram it. What do you? It's right there. It's right there.
I got it.
Don't. Okay. What are you doing? Oh,
Come on. Shit. Hold on. Okay. Keep playing.
we got people behind us. You can't take forever.
Oh wait, do we?
I don't know. I just saw shadow and voices.
Did it work?
Up. Just hit it.
I'm holding your balls by this way.
Okay.
Thank you for your kindness of holding my balls. Damn.
Come on.
Peter Griffin, do Peter Griffin. Damn.
Damn.
Oh, it bounced off.
Damn. Yes!
You could suck it. Ready? You want to pound it? Pound it? Oh, yeah. Pound it. Never make him talk. Oh, shit. Don't do Now you guys are perverts. I swear to God. Now this is a penis. I will smack that. Nice. Oh, nice.
Dude, it looks like a fucked up rectum. Rectum.
Rectum.
And I said rectum. I wanted to say
Oh.
erection. 4.
Oh, shit. You ready for this? You ready for this? Here I go. Just throw your stick at it.
Damn.
See my other stick.
Damn. Nope.
Damn.
Ready?
Me. It's really hot down here anyway.
Oh, shit. You're just cheating. You're cheating.
I am
Look
not
at that.
cheating.
You see that shit right there? That's
I'm not
karma.
cheating.
That's karma.
Me. Damn.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No. Fuck your couch. Next. What's this one look? Oh God, I hate this one. I hate this
Okay, you know
one.
what? Fine.
Don't. Fuck. Well, there it's gone. It's gone, ladies and gentlemen. It's over.
Is that like the 4 times he's lost the ball?
You gotta handle your balls right, man. I'll come help you. Where did it go? I don't know where it went. Green ball! Green ball! I don't see one.
Look, I have another red one.
You do?
Remember from before?
I
Pick up brighter color.
have to keep an eye on our end. Alright, anyway, it's my turn. Whoa, shit! Fucking hell. Oh, snap. Ready, guys? You ready for this? Oh, that failed. Yeah. This is gonna be so annoying. She's looking for one. This one's gonna take forever, you know. Oh, shit! It rolled back. Mine keeps bouncing back. God damn it. Just throw your stick again.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes.
I've done soccer. I'm bored. Basketball. Two.
It's going up. Baby steps. Baby steps. Let's do this. Meow.
Where is it?
Did? Yeah, we found your ball.